When you address somebody for the first time or a group of people, you have to become really confident in using the vocative case because you will be addressing them. In Gaelic, we call it the vocative case. We have to make some changes to the words or the names that you're using if you're speaking to somebody. For example, a Gàidhlig, a Gàirsten. And if you put it into use, Matin va a Gàidhlig, Fisker ma a Gàirsten. Now make sure you stand up straight. You do not look down, left or right while you are speaking. Focus your eyes on people's foreheads or even above. Move your focus from person to person in the group while you are speaking. Pay attention to your breathing. Take a breath before each sentence. Make sure you use your breathing stops at the right place. Use emphasis to get the natural rhythm of speaking. Use long vowels for emphasis as well. Make them long enough. Stretch a few words here and there, and glue your words together. Also, make sure you speak at an even pace. It will show how confident you are. Slow down your speaking and avoid thinking sounds like or pauses. And most of all, use downward intonation for every sentence. Even if you ask a question, make sure your intonation goes down. Here are some examples of the vocative case. The name changes in form. Matin va voorak. Fisker ma a gael. And smile, sound like you mean it. Another example. Matin va Anna. Fisker ma a neuish. Now keep in mind, in regards to Gaelic, the sound, vocabulary, and gender can differ. We use the vocative case when we address or call somebody. The names starting with a vowel. Feminine names have no changes. Masculine names slenderize at the end. Names starting with a consonant. Feminine names add an in front and lenite the consonant. On the other hand, masculine names have something extra. They have the a in front, lenite the consonant, and slenderize the end.